We are pleased to show you the 2016 C-Max Energi. The C-Max Energi is a hatchback with seating capacity of 5. Its powerful engine and stylish interior make it a great option for those looking for a functional and efficient vehicle, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.